Pora Pora Beach, located on the island of Pora Pora in French Polynesia, is one of the most wonderful destinations in the world for those who love to immerse themselves in the wonderful natural beauty of the sea. Pora Pora offers visitors an immersive experience in a peaceful space and the gentle sound of waves. Pora Pora Beach is located on Pora Pora Island, one of the largest islands of the Society Islands of French Polynesia. Pora Pora Island is located in the northwest of the Pacific Ocean, about 230 kilometers west of French Polynesia's capital Petite, Tahiti. With an area of about 29.3 square kilometers, Pora Pora Island was formed from an ancient inactive volcanic island. Pora Pora Beach is surrounded by a smaller circular island, with a small peninsula dividing the main island. Blue sea water surrounds the smooth white sand beach, creating a magical and romantic landscape. What do you think about what we have shared? Leave your thoughts below in the comments section and let us know what you'd like to see more of in upcoming videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Pora Pora Beach, located in French Polynesia, is not only a great destination for tourism but also a destination with a special climate and gentle people. With a tropical climate, Pora Pora Island, where Pora Pora Beach is located, is constantly dominated by the warmth and coolness of ocean breezes, along with bright sunshine. This warm and temperate climate creates ideal conditions for the growth of many species of plants and animals, especially on the seabed with its rich and diverse coral reefs. Gentleness and politeness in communication, along with enthusiasm for visitors, create a friendly environment and harmony with nature. Pora Pora Beach is one of French Polynesia's top tourist attractions, and its influence on French tourism is enormous. With its amazing natural beauty, Pora Pora Beach attracts millions of tourists from all over the world every year, contributing significantly to France's tourism industry. Protecting precious natural resources and maintaining a sustainable tourism environment is very important to ensure the sustainable development of the tourism industry in Pora Pora and France in general. The subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. This helps us better understand the opinions and desires of the community. You can also share with us what you want to see in the next videos.